Here we have master padlock number 160. So we've got the keys. One, two, three, four, 5 pins. This is it. I've been using this little bad boy. The only problem with these is getting them in so far without them jamming can be a bit of a problem. As you can see, they are quite stubborn and quite stuck. Try it again, and hopefully, oh yeah, do it again, see if I can get it done a little bit easier. And jiggle, and there we are. This one cost me about £9 from the shop. Not a bad little padlock to start practicing on. Easily jiggled open with pretty much well everything. I don't think it's got anything major security in it, if at all anything really. But there we are.